Hi guys, this is Kashif Shizad. I am from Pakistan. Today I want to show you some wet polishing resin diamond pad. We are preparing a marble floor surface. This is a grit number 100, grit number 30, and grit number 500, grit number 800. Socks, rubber boots, sponge for abrasives. This is a abrasive Lux A1. This is a 5 extra for marble floor polishing. This is also sponge. We crush the abrasive and put the abrasive pieces under the sponge, this, and we also crush the 5 extra for polishing and using these pieces under the sponge. This is a silicon carbide sandpapers made in Korea, grade number 80, and this is a sawdust. After using after polishing, we use this sawdust for better finishing. I hope today you learn a lot of. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, so when I upload a new video you can get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.